Welcome back, dear. So this slide we saw in the last session, right? So I had to run, and children, can you able to see this screen? Right? What is this? 3 of them are going to the backyard, right? Here, party. What party is doing? He's asking, Ravi is asking milk. What party is doing? Party is seeing at him, staring at him suspiciously. See half of the milk he's drinking and in front of her, and she's asking for the tumbler. But what he's doing? No, I will wash it. After drinking, I'll wash it. He's saying all the dialogues, and this too we will discuss after the next slide, right? Come back to this again. So previously, the continuation of this, I had to run and pour the milk into this coconut shell and then run back again and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Suspicious is doubt. Okay, now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. What is it, Mahendran? We'll see that later. Okay, milk into this coconut shell and then again run back and wash the tumbler. We'll go back to the images. Here she is staring at him suspiciously, right? Ravi is drinking half of the milk, most of the milk, not half, most of the milk, coming, running fast, right? Here you can see him drinking, coming, running and pouring the milk to the kitten. Again he will run back, he will wash the tumbler, and before a party comes, he has to replace it, right? This is what is a process he has to do. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. Mahendran? Who is this Mahendran? This little kitty's name is Mahendran. So the small kitten is there, isn't it? That kitten's name is Mahendran. Mridu was impressed. Wow, she was really happy. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name itself. Actually, kitty names will be, kitten's name will be like a Pussy, Dolly, Dora, something like that. Very sweet names or peppy names they'll keep. But here Mahendran is a human name, right? So how Ravi is planning to keep all these names. Ritu was really impressed by the name. What is his name? What is the kitten's name? Mahendran, right? Next. Actually, his full name is Mahendravarma Pallava Punai. Mahendravarma Pallava Punai. In short, MP Punai. For short, if you like. Okay, if you like, you can call it as MP Punai. Mahendravarma Pallava Punai. Again, you say the name, dear. MP Punai. Mahendravarma Pallava Punai. He is a fine breed of cat. Fine breed in the sense healthy. See here one sample cat image I kept it here. I have shown you. It was very healthy, right? So same, he's a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur. Fur in the sense hair. See the hair of this cat like a lion's mane. Mane is what? In face and its neck, it will be very thick and it's furry hair like substance is there in lion. Same way here also, see the face of this cat, it seems to be like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. So he is expecting. Who is expecting? Ravi is expecting Mridu's answer. He is expecting Mridu's answer. Right? Shall we move to the next slide here? Mridu giggled. Giggled means what? Laughed. Like a laughing. Think I'm joking. Well, Just wait. You could have, I heard so many dialogues from you children, saying when somebody is saying a dialogue, oh God, it's a very good joke. Ha ha ha. Now tomorrow I will laugh. Or day after tomorrow, 1 year fully I'll think at this and laugh. Right? All these dialogues you will say. The same here also. Ridu giggled. Think I'm joking? Well, just wait. I will show you some time. Right? It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Now Ravi is pointing out more incident from history. Haven't you been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? See, here is a question tag. Haven't you been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? Have you is a question tag. You could have learned in 5th, 6th standard also. Right? So check it out. This is a grammar part. He said mysteriously. Mysteriously here confusingly. It's a suspense. Right? Right. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, so now when our class went to Mahabalipuram, here it's a field trip. Ravi and their classmates went to Mahabalipuram. I saw a statue of his tatas, etc., etc., etc. So many tatas, tata, like that. Here tatas, etc., etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat. Descended here is comes from, or the family, the heredity, right? Comes from. Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat. Who is that ancient cat? A close relative, scientifically speaking, what? Scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. So, here, lion is the tata for this small cat, it seems. That is what Mahendran trying to convey here. Right, a close relative. Scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. So, whom he is pointing out? He is pointing out a lion. Lion as an ancestor for this small cat. The Pallava lion. That too, a Pallava lion. See, we usually have an emblem of lions, right? The emblem of the Pallava dynasty is lion here. So, Ravi went on talking about the ancient past or ancient history related things to whom? To Mridu, right? Walking around the bitter berry bush. It's a small tree there. Waving a twig up and down. Twig means a small stick will be there in the tree. Waving that, like this, waving that up and down. His eyes were sparkling. The cat is a descendant of none other than Mahabalipuram's Rishi's cat. Okay. And if I may just remind you, they worship cats in ancient Egypt. You know, children, in ancient Egypt prayed to God. Prayed cat as a god. Here I gave you an image. In ancient Egypt, cats were believed to be in the manifestation of Bast. Right? The goddess who protected against evil. Right? It was a belief. You could have seen in many movies. Right? Shall we move to the next slide, or do you have any doubt on this? Can you able to understand that Mridu is a cousin sister? Ravi is only explaining all these historical events, right? About whom? About the cat. What is the name of the cat? Mahendran, right? MP Punai, or Mahendra Verma Pallava Punai, right? Any doubt in this? Good. Because in the last live class I'll ask you questions here. Be prepared. How he loved the sound of his own voice. So Ravi started talking more and more about historical things, right? Meena and Mridu exchanged the looks. Oh God, he's boring. When he is going to start, all these eyes are talking between Meena and Mridu. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded, oh, I'm telling you, this cat is descended. He likes to continue, but Actually, he stopped because Ravi blocked him, right? From the Egyptian cat god, no, it's not a god, she's a goddess. Basket, yes, that's it. So here you can see the image of Mridu, and Ravi is explaining about this cat. The small cat is here. Can you able to see that image? So Ravi is explaining to Mridu about this MP Punai. Right. Here you can able to see the Egyptian god. Is it clear? This image is clear for you? Just go through the image. Good. Well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant, actually what is a descendant? Descendant is comes from that family. Stowaway, someone who hides himself in ship or aircraft or to travel in an unnoticed way. That is what is the meaning of stowaway. What is mean by stowaway? Someone who hides himself or herself in a ship or an aircraft to travel in an unnoticed way, right? Here, one of the descendant of cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, right? And his descendant was Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. We saw, right? Tatas, etc., etc. That is what Rishi cat, whose descendant is now MP Punai. Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran, MP Punai here. Wow, such a great example. All these were the feelings of Ravi. He shrieked, very pleased with himself. He felt very pride about himself, about MP Punai, right? Mahendran looked up alarmed. He had just been sharpening. Who is sharpening his claws? Who will have claws here? Yes, this Mahendra Verma, Pallava Punai, MP Punai was sharpening his claws. Why it is sharpening? It was afraid of Ravi's that shriek sound, right? Can you able to see that? How the hairs of cats has been? The claws, right? Sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful woof, screech sound from the window. What a weird sound. Weird is an unusual and a strange sound. Mridu was startled. Okay, so many new words you are learning there. Startled, what is the meaning of startled? Feeling of showing a sudden shock. Right? If Mridu was shocked, MP Punai was also frightened. Okay, human beings are shocked. Why can't cat? Now, MP Punai was frightened out of his wits. Hair standing at end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. What is the meaning of scurried? Scurried, moving fast, right? Moving very quickly towards the red chilies that has been set out to dry. So, trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow! He howled miserably. The screeching went on and on. It doesn't stop. What's that noise? Said Mridu. Now, it is not the noise of cat. It is not the noise of Ravi. Then, what is that noise? Check it out. What is the noise? Can you guess? Yes, that's Lali learning to play violin. Grunted Ravi. That's Lali learning to play violin. Grunted. What is the meaning of grunted? Take your dictionary, dear. Check out the meaning of grunted. She'll never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train, whizzing on and on and on, while Lali is all the time derailing, going completely off the track. Violin is going on railing like like that. It is going off the track, right? So children, let me end the session today. After this session, we'll have a question time, right? Okay, bye.